Hello, Spanish students! I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about some of the sentences from our homework yesterday. So I saw a lot of really good ones. I want to start with that. Very good uses. It seems that everybody understands the vocabulary. I didn't see any vocabulary uses that didn't make any sense, but there were a few grammatical errors that I wanted to talk about. Oh, all the way. But by the way, I teach English online to little kids, so that's why it says teacher online. Okay, so I just pulled a few examples. I didn't take all of the incorrect sentences, but I just pulled a few from each person. So let's start with the first one. Tengo dos sillón. Remember, sillón is like armchair. The problem with this is that we have two. Tengo dos. So sillón is singular. We need to make it plural. So I'm going to say tengo dos sillones. Okay? Mi cocina es viejo. My kitchen is old. Cocina is feminine. So viejo is masculine. We need to make sure they match up. So we're just going to change viejo to vieja. Mi cocina es vieja. Okay. Mi cama es en mi cuarto. We're going to learn this later on in the week. But we're always going to be having to choose between es and está. They both mean to be, but are used for different reasons. Estar is used when we're talking about location. So if you want to say my bed is in my room, you're talking about the location of your bed. Instead of saying es, we will say está. Now don't feel bad about that mistake because, like I said, we're going to learn it later. Está en mi cuarto. Okay, yo limpiando la mesa. This is the present progressive form of the verb. It needs to go with estar if you're going to use it. Otherwise, so far we've just been using present tense. So I'm going to just change it to present tense. Yo limpiar is to clean. So I clean, yo limpio mi casa. Okay? Mi padre sacar la basura. That's not bad at all. I know exactly what you're trying to say. But this one, it looks like the student forgot to conjugate sacar. It's still in the infinitive form, the AR form. And we need to conjugate it so it matches up with the subject, mi padre. So all we have to actually do is take off the R and it's conjugated correctly. Mi padre saca la basura. My father takes out the trash. And then the same thing happened on this bottom one, mi madre tocar el piano a veces. That says my mother to play the piano sometimes. But we want it to say my mother plays. So we have to conjugate it. In this case, just by convenience, we happen to just need to take off the R as well, and it's conjugated correctly. So mi madre toca el piano a veces. Okay, like I said, there were several others that were wrong, but I decided to choose these because I thought they were good points to make that might help you in the future. There were a couple of students that used English mixed with Spanish in the sentences, and I guess I haven't talked about that a whole lot in class, but make sure that you only use Spanish, okay? Don't mix Spanish and English. Your book has all the words that you could possibly need to write anything that I ask of you in this class. So if there's something you want to write that's not in your textbook, you can text me. It's that easy. You just text me, hey, how do you say this in Spanish? And I will tell you, okay? So don't write anything in English for the rest of the assignments, all right? Okay, that's everything for today, and I hope you enjoyed Tuesday's lesson, and I'll be posting videos whenever it's relevant to explain some of the errors that we see in our activities, so this will be normal.